In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube video on WordPress. Let's get started. So I have this in here, my page, and on the next tab, I have this particular YouTube video. So if you want to actually add this on my WordPress site, let's head over and click on the share option right here. And you can see in here the option for embed. Click on this, and then you can see in here this iframe. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and click on this copy option right here on the bottom. And then let's head back to our WordPress. Let's click on this plus icon. And then let's search in here for HTML. Let's add this right around here. You can also drag this wherever you want it to be as well. So here it is. So let's paste it in here. And you can click on this preview in order to see what it looks like. So here we have in here our YouTube video. So click on the save option right here in order to save the progress that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.